You're sipping on your favorite brew, comfortably clad in your pajamas, and the only commute you have is from your bed to your laptop. Welcome to the world of online businesses, where dreams meet the digital realm, and anyone with an idea and determination can carve out their own success story. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the best online businesses tailored for beginners. So grab your mug, settle in, and let's dive into the world of digital entrepreneurship. In a world where traditional boundaries are blurring, the internet has become the ultimate equalizer. No longer constrained by brick-and-mortar establishments or hefty startup costs, aspiring entrepreneurs have unprecedented opportunities to turn their passions into profitable ventures from the comfort of their homes. But where do you begin? Fear not, for we have curated a list of online businesses perfectly suited for beginners, complete with real-life examples, facts, and tips to guide you on your entrepreneurial odyssey. First up, the juggernaut of online businesses, e-commerce. With the global e-commerce market projected to surpass $6.3 trillion by 2024, there's ample room for newcomers to claim their slice of the digital pie. Take, for instance, Sarah, a budding entrepreneur who turned her love for handmade jewelry into a thriving e-commerce empire. Armed with nothing but a Shopify store and a knack for marketing on social media, Sarah transformed her passion project into a six-figure business within a year. When starting an e-commerce business, focus on finding a niche market with high demand and low competition. Leverage platforms like Shopify or Etsy to kickstart your online store with minimal investment. Next on our list is freelancing, a playground for those gifted with a particular skill or talent. Meet David, a freelance graphic designer who bid farewell to the 9-to-5 grind and embraced the freedom of remote work. Through platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, David found a steady stream of clients seeking his expertise in logo design and branding. Today, he enjoys a flexible schedule, working on projects that ignite his creativity while earning a comfortable income. To succeed as a freelancer, hone your skills in a specific niche and build a strong portfolio to showcase your work. Networking and delivering exceptional customer service are key to securing repeat clients and referrals. The art of blogging and vlogging, where words and visuals intertwine to captivate audiences and monetize passions. Meet Emma, a travel blogger whose wanderlust knows no bounds. Armed with a camera and an insatiable curiosity, Emma embarked on a journey to document her adventures around the globe. Through captivating storytelling and stunning visuals, she amassed a loyal following and monetized her blog through sponsored content, affiliate marketing, and digital products. Last but not least, we have online coaching and consulting, where knowledge becomes currency and expertise transforms lives. Meet Alex, a fitness enthusiast who leveraged his passion for health and wellness to become an online fitness coach. Alex helps clients achieve their fitness goals from the comfort of their homes. With the rise of digital platforms and virtual communication tools, online coaching has emerged as a lucrative business opportunity for experts in various fields. Identify your area of expertise and target audience, then create value-packed coaching programs or consulting services to address their pain points. Remember, your success hinges on your ability to deliver tangible results and foster meaningful relationships with your clients. And there you have it, a glimpse into the diverse world of online businesses awaiting aspiring entrepreneurs. Whether you're drawn to the allure of e-commerce, the freedom of freelancing, the creativity of blogging or vlogging, or the impact of online coaching/consulting, the digital landscape is ripe with opportunities for beginners to thrive. So seize the moment, embrace the possibilities, and embark on your journey to entrepreneurial success. Remember, the only limit is your imagination. Here's to new beginnings, endless possibilities, and the extraordinary adventure that awaits. Cheers to the bold dreamers, the relentless hustlers, and the trailblazers of tomorrow. Your journey starts now, so go forth and conquer the digital frontier. The world is yours for the taking. If you found value in today's video, be sure to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing. It helps us keep bringing you more great content.